A great thing with Finalsite is that it makes it easy for you to quickly update different resources throughout your website. It is a true CMS. On this website we have an annual school profile report, and so we have just recently updated it with a combination of things. So this is an embedded Canva page, and then above that we have the ability for people to download the document as a PDF. This lives in Finalsite in the resources folder. So let's take a look at how we were able to easily update that. In Finalsite, I go to my resources folder, site, and then I find the document that I want to replace. So this is the document. Originally it was reflecting 2024-2025 data. We have this nice button here where we can replace a resource. So from year to year, if you need to update a similar document, all we have to do is find it in resources, click replace resource, and then go to wherever the new copy is found. If there are any aspects of the resource that need to be updated here, I'm going to change your name, title, update any kind of alt text so that it reflects the current document. And then after that, the document will be updated any place it's located, and we can find that out by clicking on this button here, where used. So very quickly I can see it's only used in this one particular place on the school profile page. So another great way to know that all your pages have been updated if you want to go spot check and make sure that changes happened. So make use of those features. You can easily replace and update resources using this little button here, replace resource.